What is up, guys? Handyman Sam here, and I just wanted to thank the now 300 subscribers that I have. I could not have done these videos without you. Even those of you who are just thinking about subscribing, thank you for even watching the videos. I really cannot do these videos without you guys, and I really enjoy helping people out doing these videos. So, with that being said, I guess we're on to this video. Thank you. What is up, guys? Handyman Sam here, and it's a little dark tonight, but I have just a quick video for you. So I'm trying to get these fog light modules out, and I finally got this one out. It took a little bit of persuasion. I was going to show you kind of how to do it in case you're in the same situation as I'm in. Got this side taken out. I'm going to move over to this side, and this side is held on by two 1/2 inch nuts here on the back side. And if we take a closer look, we can see those two little studs there where those nuts came off of. And that's really all that's holding it on. But I started having a little trouble like trying to take them off. And I thought, well, surely there isn't more screws, and I looked in the manual and everything, and that's all that's holding it on there. So let me just show you real quick. You probably already guessed seeing the hammer earlier. So you just get you a flashlight shining to be able to see where you're whacking. And you just give it a couple good firm whacks, and there you go. And sort of become glued to the bumper almost, like maybe through heat or something like that, but it's not too bad once you just whack it off. That's pretty much it, guys. Just sort of a quick tip. I'm actually taking these off to kind of sand them down and make them look a little nicer. They're pretty rough right now and not shining very bright. This could be in a future video, but if these aren't, then definitely my headlights will be, for sanding them down and making them look clearer. So I guess stay tuned for that video, and I will see you next time.